Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of D2, chapter number 12, exercise 12b, that is about the area and volume of cone. What is cone and what are the important parts of cone? What is height and slant height? And what is the area and total surface area of cone, and how to find the volume and formulas. These all questions have to be really clear to all of my students. So for all those students who have missed the previous class or they are catching us late, they have to watch the previous lesson, for which I'll give the link of the lesson in the description box, because lessons of mathematics require the continuous practice and integration of the lesson with the new lesson. If the previous lesson is weak, the new lesson will also be affected. Secondly, I just want to make one point clear, that I'm making these all lessons to facilitate all of my students in the crucial period of third wave of COVID-19, and in order to give the idea that nobody can stop education process and learning, and there can be no barrier between the teacher, student and the learning, and learning process can never stop. All of the students all over the world can take help from my channel, and those who are new to us, they can go to channel library, where different playlists are given in which the different books are available and different topics are available, because when you will be appearing in all our examination, you should have good hold on D1, D2, D3, D4. And other than that, if you have any problem in any type of mathematics, you can please send a request along with the question, and we will try to help you over there as well. Let's move to basic level question number 6, and let me read the question from the book. I always ask it to my students to read the question and underline and understand important terms of the question. Question 6 says a cone has a circular base radius 6 mm, okay, and given that the curved surface area of cone is 84 millimeters square, find its slant height. Curved surface area of cone is 84 millimeters square. It's really important to understand that what information is given. We are given with the value of the base radius, which is 6 millimeter, and we are given with the curved surface area, and we have to find the slant height of this cone. So please recall the formulas. It's really important to learn and apply the formulas. We know that formula for the curved surface area is curved surface area of cone is pi RL, pi RL. Now look, we are given with the base radius. Information is given about base radius, that is 6 mm, 6 millimeter, and curved surface area of cone is given. Surface area is given, that is 84 pi and millimeter square, and the requirement of the question is slant height, which is missing. Find its slant height. Yes, slant height. Okay. The information that begins with word what, find, how. Okay, find, what, how, that is the requirement of question, and the information that begins after word find is its slant height. So slant height is missing. So what we have to do, we know that curved surface area is formula is pi RL. Now what I will be doing, I will be equating pi RL with what? That is 84 pi. Now you can see that this pi can go easily. With this pi. I always ask it to my students to learn to make the calculation easy, and I'm left with L and R equals to 84. R has the value given in the question, which is 6. equals to 84, or L equals to 84 by 6. 84 by 6. And now read the table. You should have good hold on tables. I hope 6, how many times is 84? 14 times. 6 ones are, and 6 14s are. L equals to 14. So the requirement of the question was slant height, and which is equal to 14, and unit is millimeter. I hope you are clear about this question. And let's move to the next question, and let me read the question from the book first, and compare the data, so that if there is any problem in writing the question, I can correct it before moving to the solution. Question 7 says a cone has a circular base radius of 15 centimeter. Given that the total surface area of the cone is 1000 centimeter square, total surface area is 1000 centimeter square. This is square. Find the slant height of the cone, and we have to take pi 3.142. We have to follow the instructions which are given in the question. Okay, now let me read the question once again. What is 15 in the question? Okay, 15 is the base radius. 15 is the base radius, and 1000 is the total surface area, and value of pi has to be 3.142. And we again have to find the slant height of this question, that this height of the question is missing, and it's a requirement of question. So let's begin the solution, and let me write this short statements, that base radius equals to 15 centimeter, and the total surface area equals to 1000 centimeter square, and we have to find the slant height. Which is L, and that is the requirement of question. Okay, when we are talking about the total surface area, it means the area of base plus this curved surface area. 1000 is the answer for area of base and this curved surface area, and we call the formula for the total surface area. Total surface area equals to pi r into L plus r. Now, what we are going to do is we have to equate this formula by 1000, and why we are doing so? Because 1000 is the answer for the total surface area. Okay, this is the answer given in the question. This is the value given in the question. Now, we are given a value of pi 3.142 into radius is 15, and L, which is the requirement of question, I'm not going to mark it, and plus 15 equals to 1000. Okay, now what we have to do is first multiply 3.142 by 15. 3.142 multiplied by 15, and this gives me 47.13 into L plus radius 15 equals to 1000. Now here the algebra has to be good. If either you can divide this 1000 by 47.13 first, or what we can do is we can apply distributive property. So I will be preferring to shift this 47.13 to other side. So my equation will take the form L plus 15 equals to 1000 upon 47.13. Okay, and 1000 divided by 47.13, and this gives me 21.21 and 7. So I can take it 21.22 L plus 15, and now in order to get value of L, what I have to do, I have to shift that 15, 21.22 minus 15, 21.22 minus 15 is L equals to slant height 6.22 centimeter. I hope you are clear about this question, and let's quickly move to the next question, and let me read the question from the book. Question 8 says that an open cone has the slant height 5 meters and the curved surface area is 251 meters square. Find the radius of circular base. Okay, in this question we are given with the slant height, which is 5 meter, and the curved surface area is given 251 meters square. Curved surface area is given, and we have to find the radius of the base. Okay, so let's move to the solution of the question. Let's begin with the given information that slant height is given. Slant height is 5 meters, and the another information is that curved surface area is given 251 meters square, and the requirement of the question is the radius is unknown. So what we have to do, as we are given with the curved surface area, formula for the curved surface area is, because curved surface area equals to pi r L. So what we are going to do is we have to equate this by 251. There is no restriction for pi here. So what I have to do, we have to find the radius. So what I will be doing, I have to shift this pi and L to other side, pi and L, and now what I will be doing, 251 into 3.142 multiplied by slant height, which is 5. So first perform the calculation for the denominator, that 3.142 multiplied by 5, and this gives me 15.71 and 251, and now I have to divide 251 by 15.71, and this gives me radius equals to 15.97, and as I have to take my answer nearest to 3 significant figures, so it's 97. So what I will be doing, I will be focusing my attention on this. So it will become, radius will become 16.0 and meters to the 3 significant figures. I hope you are clear about today's class. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.